words with sound k. K. You will listen me first and then you will say. Which letter is this, students? C. And which letter is this? K. C says K and K says K. Letter C and letter K make sounds together K. Say with me. K. 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 The K digraph usually appears at the end of the words, but sometimes it also appears in the middle of words. Let's learn words with the sound K. Duck. D. K. Duck. Duck. Rag. 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 Sack. 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 Neck. 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 Kick. 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 Lick. 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 Lock. 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 Sock. 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 Clock. 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 Let's revise together. Duck. Duck. Neck. Neck. Sack. Sack. Rack. Rack. Kick. Kick. Sock. Sock. Lick. Lick. Lock. Lock. Clock. Clock. Now it's time for quiz. Circle the words with sound k. 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 Sack. Clock. Lick. Rag. Lock. at the picture and choose the correct word. Which picture can you see? Is it clock? No. Is it lake? No. It's lock. Lock. What picture can you see? Lake. Very good, students. Which picture is this? Is it picture of clock? No, it's sack. Very good. Sack. Which picture is this? Is it lock? No, it is rack. Rack. Which picture is this? Is it clock? No, this is not clock. This is a duck. Duck. Very good.